So today we're going to do another self-calming tool. This is called the spiral technique. Remember, these are tools to help you feel safe and calm. And we use these tools because if we're experiencing disturbance or we're in a shutdown mode because something's feeling threatening to us, we want to help ourselves return to a safe and calm place. This technique is the spiral technique, and I'm going to do that with Sarah today. So Sarah, thank you for participating.
I don't know this one either, so this
I
will be
would
good.
love it if you pick a situation that feels disturbing to you. Bring one up in your memory.
Okay,
When you have it, let me know.
I do.
Okay. How would you rate that disturbing memory, 0 to 10?
It was like a 5.
It's a 5. Okay. And where do you feel that, Sarah, in your body? That disturbing?
My stomach gets
It's your
upset,
stomach.
and
Yes.
my chest gets a little tight.
Yes. Little tight in your chest, little upset in
Right.
your stomach.
Right.
All right. I want you to concentrate on one of those two.
Okay.
Either your stomach or your chest.
All right.
All right. And I want you to picture that. Which one are you going to pick?
Stomach.
So I want you to picture that upset feeling in your stomach as energy. And I want you to picture that energy as a spiral. As you picture that energy swirling in a spiral, which direction do you picture that energy flowing? Is it flowing in a clockwise direction or a counterclockwise direction? Clockwise. So feel that upsetting 5 energy flowing in a clockwise direction inside of you as energy. And now I gently want you to picture yourself reaching into that spiral and turning it counterclockwise. And I want you just to turn it counterclockwise, turn it counterclockwise. And if you notice anything, you can share with me what you're noticing.
Well, at first it seemed hard because it feels like it was a tornado and it's hard. And then I changed it to something like wind, like a windy clock. And then I'm slowly taking it back.
As you take it back, notice what happens to that energy.
It's getting smaller.
Yeah, yes. So there's some relief. It's not at a 5 anymore. Tell me what you're noticing it's at right now.
It's about a 3.
Yeah. You can keep unwinding it. And you can do this for as long or as short as you want, in your own space, in your own time. And tell me what you notice now. Why don't you gently open your eyes?
I just noticed, again, I think because I've trained my body to deal with these things,
Yes.
start to relax.
Yes. Yes.
It will be okay.
Yes. And again, often people choose clockwise, but it's very normal to choose counterclockwise as well. When you go the opposite direction, it starts to undo whatever is happening in the moment. And that undoing of it, the loosening of it, the freeing of it, the letting go of it, is what helps the body experience relief and helps us to return to a calm and peaceful state. So this is the spiral technique. Thanks for joining us for it. Practice it. If it works for you, add it to your toolbox.